Hi, this is my highlight reel for my practicum portfolio. So let's get started. So my name is Michelle Thomas, now Grau, since I've gotten married. This is my 4th year of teaching kindergarten in the West Claremont Local School District. I'm also an assistant cross-country coach at the school district as well. And one of the biggest things that I love is it's actually the school district where I went to school. So it's really nice to be able to give back to community that gave me so much. Below you'll see my goals, both professional and personal. I would say my biggest professional goal probably is to start keeping a reflection log on lessons that really worked well in my class and on things I would like to improve on. My biggest personal goal would be to run the Flying Pig Marathon with my husband next May. Afterward, down below, you'll see my exploration stage. So my next thing is my technology philosophy. I'd say the biggest takeaway I took from this was probably how important it is to make sure when you are using technology in the classroom, you're using it to benefit your students. You're not just using it to say you're using it. And I think before taking all these courses, that was kind of me. I used it in my classroom, but it wasn't for the greatest benefit. Afterward is my resume. So as you can see, I've updated my resume now. I haven't updated in a while, so it's nice to go through and be able to do that and highlight some new features on there. My next thing is my activity evidence. So first is my professional development plan, and I would say this is something I was really surprised I enjoyed doing. I was very nervous going into this. I was like, this is a lot of work. Like, I started to feel overwhelmed, but actually after sitting down and starting it, I really enjoyed the process. And for me, the professional development plan kind of came through noticing that my school district has a lot of resources that go unused. We have a lot of technology, a lot of online resources that are being paid for by our district that teachers don't know about. So just really getting that idea out to teachers and creating a professional day where we can come together and learn about all those resources that we already have at our disposal. And then so I highlighted it through the next school year. And then you can kind of see my rationale for it, and how I feel the day will go, and some of the different goals I hope to accomplish through it. And the next one is my professional training videos. So my first training video, they really all tie into my professional development day. My first one is on Class Dojo, which is an app that can be used in the classroom. So this would be something that I would show to teachers. The next one would be more for students, and it is how to work an iPad, since kindergarten is kind of their first place where they're learning those things. And the next one is a student tutorial on using Starfall. And since it is summertime, it wasn't ideal. I could only get one student, but this would be something I would do with my whole class. My last one would also be a teacher training video, and this presentation would just give them some more ideas on the types of technology that is available to them in our school district. And then my next ones are my professional presentations, and these tied in really well with my training videos. So my first one goes along with that first training video on Class Dojo. This could be shown, like talked about beforehand, and then as I'm giving the presentation, teachers could refer to this. And the next one is a student tutorial on Starfall. You'll see in my student presentation that I actually show this video to the student, how to use Starfall. And then my last one is a Google Slides video that just gives teachers information and knowledge about the technology and resources that are available to them. And then, oh, sorry about that. My next one is my articles. So my first article just really addresses the different types of technology that these elementary math teachers use in their classroom and the ways they go about integrating that technology. My next one focuses more on students and how they understand the use of tablets, their ability to use them in the classroom, and how it can enrich their learning. And my third one, which is probably one of my favorites, was on the assistive technology and how it can help in a classroom. And this article I found really addresses students with disabilities and how they can participate in similar learning things as their peers by using this assistive technology. All right, and then my next one is my extra resources. So there are a total of 9, and a lot of them are pulled from different activities that I did throughout my courses. So the first one is one that was an online thing that we used in one of our classes as a way to introduce ourselves. My next one would be videos for students. So kind of like all how-to videos, how to make an how-to video, how to write numbers, how to do a character and setting using different types of technology. My last two are videos that would be shown to teachers on how to use media, hyperlinks, and augmented reality if they're making their own videos in their classroom. My next one talks about visualization and the importance when creating your own presentation. My next one would be a great online website that parents and teachers could access. Maybe this is something we could do at our professional development day. And the next one is just really a focus on internet safety and the importance when we are using all this technology in the classroom. So after that is my 2 peer reviews, both internal and my external. And the last one is my reflection on how I felt this class went and just the whole process of it. So thanks so much for watching.